Hi everyone, welcome back to Extra Classes, your go to space for smart, simple, neat focused learning. If you feel overwhelmed with the syllabus and think 5 months is not enough, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll tell you the exact chapters you can skip for now in biology, chemistry, and physics so you can maximize your score by focusing on what truly matters. So, let's get started. Let us look first into biology chapters that you may want to skip. These are not useless chapters, but they are low yield, rarely asked, or too time consuming for the kind of returns they give. So here we go. Biology is the most scoring subject. Here you cannot afford to spend time on low impact chapters. Chapters you can skip for now and revisit only if time permits. Chapter number 1: Structural Organization in Animals. This chapter is very theory heavy, with too many descriptions and only one question appears occasionally. Chapter number 2: Animal Kingdom. This chapter as a whole is important, but the minute details of all phyla rarely matter. Instead, focus only on core data plus key features. Chapter number 3: Mineral Nutrition. This chapter has lots of memory based content, and NEET usually asks one or two very basic NC art lines. Keep this for the end. And chapter number 4: Transport in Plants. This is a long chapter, but NEET asks very predictable questions like osmosis, transpiration pool, or pressure flow. Skip for now if you haven't touched it. You can do a quick 15-minute revision on extra classes. The big question to ask is why these can be skipped now? The answer is low return on time invested, and these can be covered in one quick revision later if time remains. Focus instead on human physiology, genetics, ecology, and plant physiology core topics, which contribute nearly 50% of biology marks. Let us focus on chemistry now: physical, organic, and inorganic. Skip or deprioritize these chapters for now. Chapter number 1: Surface Chemistry. Only one predictable question comes from this chapter. It has very small weightage, can be revised quickly later. Chapter number 2: Solid State. This is theory heavy, low weightage. NEET asks only one very easy NCERT based question. Chapter number 3: Polymers. Entire chapter is for 1 to 2 memory based questions. Keep this chapter for the last phase. And chapter number 4: Chemistry in Everyday Life. This is bound to give just one direct question, but it takes very little time. So keep it for the final 2 weeks, not now. Why skip these now? First, they don't help you build problem solving skills. Second, they don't impact your scoring much. Spending time here reduces focus on high yield and important chapters like organic, general principles, thermodynamics, equilibrium, chemical bonding, which create the real difference in scores. Let us focus on physics, which is also the most time consuming subject for NEET aspirants. In physics, the low yield or the chapters that you can skip now are: Chapter number 1: Semiconductors and Communication Systems. Only 1 to 2 questions combined from these chapters come in the exam. Very theory heavy, and I would say a little dull chapter. It can be memorized in March or April from extra classes, quick revision guides. Leave this chapter for now. Chapter number 2. Actually, two chapters combined together: Nuclei and Atoms. Questions here are extremely basic. Students overstudy these chapters unnecessarily. Chapter number 3: Alternating Current. NEET mainly asks formula based questions. You can revise this in 2 hours later. No need to rush now. Chapter number 4: Magnetism. This chapter has very low question count. Why skip these chapters now? Physics demands concept practice, not theory. These chapters give minimal return compared to the time you invest. Focus should be on mechanics, electricity, optics, electrostatics, current electricity, EMI, which together give 25 plus questions easily. Let us understand why skipping works. Remember, NEET is not about completing the syllabus. NEET is about maximizing marks. A topper doesn't study everything. A topper studies what matters and studies it deeply. By removing the low impact clutter, you free up 2 to 3 hours every day. You revise high yield chapters more. You practice more previous year's questions on extra classes. You reduce negative marking and your score shoots up. So, what you must prioritize instead. For biology, never skip these chapters: human physiology, genetics plus evolution, ecology, plant physiology, core topics like photosynthesis and respiration, reproduction, human and flowering plants, and cell biology. For chemistry, focus on following chapters: chemical bonding, thermodynamics, equilibrium, GOC plus hydrocarbons, coordination compounds, P block, and electrochemistry. And for physics, following are the high yield chapters: mechanics, including laws, work, power, energy, rotation, electrostatics, current electricity, EMI, plus magnetism basics, ray optics, and modern physics with actual numerical parts. I hope this guidance helps. So, with just 5 months left, stop trying to study everything. Study wisely, cut the low yield topics, double down on the high impact chapters, and your NEET score will rise faster than ever. If you want free NEET ready diagrams, notes, tests, and revision plans, check the link in the description, all created for students like you. For test series and chapter wise tests, log into Extra Classes platform. This is Extra Classes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep revising, and keep moving towards your 650 plus score. If you like this video, then please share a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Join Extra Classes. The link is in the description.